welcome to CR Nuts. My name's Ken. New project right behind me, 1973 Honda CL350 Scrambler. Collector's item. These things are loved and coveted. They're kind of a cult following. Parts iffy, half of it you can get and half of it you can't get. We were fortunate. We found this down in Crandall, Texas, and it's very original. All the parts were there. Only missing two things. I was lucky to find them, and original Honda parts. So that's the plan. We're not going to trick out this bike. We're going to put it back to original, polish it out, make it look pretty, make sure it runs good. You know, that's the key thing. So I hope you like it. Today's episode is day one. We're going to take the front tire off in the hub, and we're going to pull the forks and get ready for disassembly. So it's an exciting project. We're looking forward to it. A little change of pace. We'll be popping back and forth with some other projects that come up. We still got some fine tuning to do on the Cougar, and but we've turned the corner. So with that being said, just a reminder, like and subscribe. It makes the world of difference to us. It doesn't cost you nothing, and we appreciate you following us. So thank you for your time. Enjoy the show. And next week we got something special. So we'll see you then. Yeah, I custom make a stand for it.
Well, you're not bent over all the time.
No, I'd much rather not be. You know, sit on a stool and... There's that linkage. So this keeps the hub. One fender. Oh yeah. On the forks, I got them off. They're in terrible shape. I tried sandblasting them with walnut shell. I tried glass bead, that did better. And then I watched a bunch of videos of how people do it. And at the end of the day, what it comes down to with this aluminum, it's you gotta really break it down. I mean, look at this Honda. I mean, that is tough. Okay, the forks were in that shape. Okay, so I went from, this is where I got to, and this is where I started. How I ended up doing it. I tried walnut shell sandblasting. I tried it with glass bead sandblasting. Best results, and this may sound very aggressive, but what I watched in videos is what's got to be done. I used the wire wheel, okay? I used the wire wheel, went over everything. Then I came back and I polished it, okay? Two things. I bought a coarse, some people call them a jean wheel, and it's just various fabrics. I mean, you know, really tough stuff. And I used that with the black compound. And this is the most aggressive. So I did that, gave it a once over, and that knocked it, made it look real good. Then you come back and polish it with the red. Okay, I just bought a brand new bar. This hadn't even opened it yet. I was using this from Eastwood Tripoli. And I put the final polish on it. Once I got the final polish done, and I mean, this is not perfect, but it looks real good. I hit them with a coat of Marvel Mystery Oil. And Marvel Mystery Oil attacks rust. It really does. You take a chrome wheel, you know, with spokes, and you coat it with Marvel, and you come back and look at it next day, and it's knocked back that rust quite a bit. So I just put this on for protective coating, because these forks are going to go over to Cycle Suspensions, our buddy Joe, and Joe's going to rebuild them for us and make them so they're like brand new. You know, I'm going to take them over there Saturday, and I'll shoot film of that. But I like where I got, because we're going to go back and look. This looks a hell of a lot better than where we started. And I'm going to pull off the side cases, and I'll do them all. And then the rest of the engine, I've watched various tips and techniques, and I'm going to just try everything I've seen. And, you know, I want it to look good. I mean, we want it to run good, but it's nice when it looks good. All this, pull off the exhaust and buff them out the best I can. Try to make them look new. So there's some pieces that are going to have to be re-chromed, that they're just trashed. And, you know, re-chroming is expensive. And I'm sending them out to Philadelphia, a shop called Paul's. And they're one of the finest in the country. So just wanted to show you how I got to where I am now. It ain't perfect, but it's a hell of a lot better than what it was. It looks pretty damn good. So I just wanted to show you what's going on, and we'll get back. We're getting ready for next week. We're tearing more of the bike down, getting ready.